Hi guys, Ron from Ronald Rooney Law here today, and I wanted to talk about something that a lot of my clients ask me is, how should I get started? What should I do to get started in real estate? And I think it's really a great industry if you want to make money. It can be passive later on, but there was an anecdotal article in D Magazine this morning about a TikTok star who goes around to these supercar owners and he asks them, what do you do for a living? And most of the people are friendly, they'll chat with him, but when he asks what's the most common answer, it's real estate. Whether it's commercial real estate and you have a W-2 job, you can get started. It's very easy to figure out a balance of learning and your day job. Eventually, you'll find a law firm. We have great closing checklists for purchasing your first commercial real estate property. And what I recommend is, depending on how much time you have, you allocate more of those responsibilities to the lawyer, to your CPA, to your property manager, or to your lender. And as you grow and as you want to take more control or save costs, you can internalize some of those costs as well. And that's a great example of how the team at Ronald Rooney Law, we are flexible to accommodate your needs. And if you're just starting out or you're experienced, you can narrow down the scope of services from the law firm, and that really creates an efficient partnership with your lawyer. So check out the article, he's got some good videos. And what's up with this Dallas Cowboys this season? There's always next year. Thanks guys.